Hi everyone, thanks for being here. On behalf of the
Today we
World
are
Congress,
protesting
I would like
in
to
front
thank for your
China
support.
embassy in the
It means a
Netherlands.
lot for us to see so many people gathered here, especially younger people gathered here to really stand up against such an injustice and genocide. So I really believe that if we all come together, we will be able to hold those responsible accountable, and we will be able to end this genocide before it becomes a mere subject in history lessons that we are taught as a crisis that was not stopped by the international community. So I do believe that we all have this obligation to speak up where we see injustice. So your presence here truly means a lot, and thank you again. So if you could join me now to shout some slogans. We will be shouting them mostly in English. So I welcome you to join loud and clear. So yeah, let's go. Stop Uyghur genocide!
Stop Uyghur genocide!
Stop Uyghur genocide!
Stop Uyghur genocide!
Free Uyghur now!
Free Uyghur now!
Free Uyghur now!
Free Uyghur now!
Free Uyghur now! Free Uyghur now! Close concentration camps!
Close concentration camps!
China close concentration camps!
China close concentration camps!
China close concentration camps!
Close concentration camps!
Stop the genocide!
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 Free Uyghurs!
Free Uyghur!
Free Uyghurs!
Free Uyghur!
Free Uyghurs!
Free Uyghur!
China lied, people died!
China lie, people die!
China lied, people died!
China lie, people die!
Close the camps!
Close the camps!
Close the camps!
Close the camps!
China lied, Uyghurs died!
China lied, Uyghur die!
China lied, Uyghurs died!
China lied, Uyghur